Let's face it, dealing with bugs and spiders in our homes is a constant battle. It's a struggle that many of us know all too well. No matter how much we clean, how many traps we set, or how many sprays we use, these tiny invaders always seem to find a way back in. They always seem to find a way in, no matter how clean we keep our spaces. You could spend hours scrubbing every nook and cranny, yet somehow ants still manage to march their way into your kitchen, forming a relentless line towards any crumb they can find. Ants marching in a line towards your pantry, spiders spinning webs in the corners, and flies buzzing around your head. It's enough to drive anyone crazy. These pests are not just a nuisance, they can also be a source of stress and frustration, making you feel like you're constantly under siege in your own home. But what if I told you there's a simple, unexpected solution lurking in your garage? Yes, amidst the clutter and tools, there lies a product that can help you in this never-ending battle. You might know it as a trusty lubricant for squeaky hinges and stuck zippers, but WD-40 is also a secret weapon for banishing bugs and spiders from your home. This versatile product has more uses than you might think, and pest control is one of its hidden talents. That's right, this multi-purpose marvel can help you reclaim your home from creepy crawlies and enjoy a pest-free environment. By spraying WD-40 along baseboards, windowsills, and other entry points, you can create a barrier that bugs and spiders will avoid. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your home free from unwanted guests. Intrigued? Read on to discover how WD-40 can become your new best friend in pest control. With just a few sprays, you can transform your living space into a serene, bug-free haven. So next time you find yourself in the garage, don't just reach for the WD-40 to fix a squeaky hinge. Use it to take back control of your home from those pesky invaders. WD-40 is a surprisingly versatile tool for keeping bugs at bay. You might know it as a lubricant or rust remover, but its uses extend far beyond that. Its unique formula acts as a repellent, deterring insects from crossing treated areas. This makes it an excellent choice for those hard-to-reach places where bugs love to hide. The best part? It's incredibly easy to use and can be applied to various surfaces around your home. From windowsills to door frames, a quick spray can create an effective barrier. Whether you're dealing with ants, spiders, cockroaches, or other common household pests, WD-40 can help you send them packing. Imagine a kitchen free of ants or a basement without spiders. WD-40 can help you send them packing. It's a simple, yet powerful solution that can make a big difference in your home. But how exactly does it work? What makes WD-40 so effective against these pesky intruders? WD-40's effectiveness stems from its ingredients, which create a barrier that insects find unpleasant. The combination of these ingredients not only repels insects but also prevents them from returning. The smell alone is enough to send many bugs running in the opposite direction. It's like a force field that keeps your home bug-free. Plus, its lubricating properties make surfaces slippery, making it difficult for crawling insects to gain a foothold. This dual-action approach ensures that bugs are not just repelled, but also physically hindered. Ready to banish bugs with this unexpected household hero? With WD-40 you can tackle your bug problems head-on and reclaim your space. Let's explore some practical applications. From your kitchen to your garage, WD-40 can be your go-to solution for a bug-free home. Stay tuned to see how you can make the most of this versatile product. Prevention is key when it comes to pest control, and taking proactive measures can save you a lot of trouble down the line. One of the most effective ways to keep bugs out is by sealing their entry points. This simple step can make a huge difference in maintaining a bug-free home. WD-40 can play a crucial role in this strategy. It's not just for squeaky hinges and rusty bolts, it can be a powerful ally in your pest control arsenal. Start by inspecting your home's exterior for any cracks, gaps, or holes that could serve as entry points for insects. These tiny openings are like welcome mats for bugs. Pay close attention to areas around windows, doors, vents, and pipes. These spots are particularly vulnerable and often overlooked. Once you've identified potential entry points, grab your trusty can of WD-40. It's time to put it to work in a way you might not have considered before. Apply a generous amount to the cracks and gaps, ensuring it penetrates deep into the crevices. This will help to create a strong barrier. WD-40 will create a barrier that insects will find difficult to cross, effectively sealing off their access to your home. This barrier is both physical and chemical, making it highly effective. Remember to check these areas periodically and reapply WD-40 as needed. Regular maintenance is key to long-lasting pest control. By staying vigilant and proactive, you can keep your home bug-free and enjoy a more comfortable living environment. Windows and doors are prime entry points for bugs, especially if there are gaps or cracks in the frames. Luckily, WD-40 can help you seal these vulnerabilities and deter insects from sneaking into your home. Before applying, it's a good idea to clean the window and door frames to remove any dirt, dust, or cobwebs. Once the frames are clean and dry, shake your can of WD-40 well and apply a thin, even layer to the entire frame. paying close attention to the corners and edges. The lubricating properties of WD-40 will make it difficult for insects to gain traction, while its odor will act as an additional deterrent. Repeat this process every few months, or as needed, to keep bugs at bay. Section 5. Screens and vents. Bug-proofing your home's weak points. Screens and vents are essential for ventilation, but they can also be easy access points for flying insects. To prevent bugs from entering your home through these openings, WD-40 can be your secret weapon. Start by cleaning your screens and vents thoroughly to remove any dirt, dust, or debris. Once they're clean and dry, grab your can of WD-40 and apply a light coating to the entire surface of your screens and vents. The smell of WD-40 will repel insects, making them less likely to land on or crawl through these openings. Remember to apply WD-40 to both the inside and outside of your screens and vents for maximum effectiveness. Section 6. Garbage bins. Keeping pests away from your trash. Garbage bins are a magnet for flies, ants, and other unwelcome guests. The odor of decaying food can attract insects from far and wide, making your garbage area a breeding ground for pests. To keep bugs away from your trash, WD-40 can be surprisingly effective. After emptying your garbage bins, spray the inside and outside with WD-40. Pay special attention to the lid and handles, where insects are most likely to congregate. The smell of WD-40 will mask the odor of garbage, making it less appealing to insects. Repeat this process regularly to keep your garbage area pest-free. Section 7. Outdoor furniture. Enjoy bug-free relaxation. Spending time outdoors is a great way to relax and enjoy the fresh air, but pesky insects can quickly turn your peaceful retreat into an itchy nightmare. Before you resign yourself to a summer of bug bites, consider using WD-40 to deter insects from your outdoor furniture. Before applying WD-40, wipe down your outdoor furniture to remove any dirt or debris. Once it's clean and dry, shake your can of WD-40 well and apply a light, even coating to the entire surface of your furniture, including the legs and underside. The smell of WD-40 will repel insects, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor space without being bothered by pesky bugs. Safety first. Using WD-40 responsibly. While WD-40 is generally safe to use around the home, it's important to handle it responsibly and take necessary precautions to ensure your safety and the well-being of your family and pets. Always read and follow the instructions on the product label before using WD-40. When using WD-40 for pest control, avoid spraying it directly on plants or food preparation surfaces. Ensure adequate ventilation when using WD-40 indoors, and avoid contact with your eyes and skin. Keep WD-40 out of reach of children and pets, and store it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight and heat. The science behind the magic why WD-40 works. The effectiveness of WD-40 in repelling insects lies in its unique formulation. While the exact ingredients are a trade secret, WD-40 primarily consists of petroleum-based oils which are known to repel insects. These oils create a slippery barrier that insects find difficult to grip, making it challenging for them to crawl on treated surfaces. Furthermore, the strong odor of WD-40 acts as a repellent, masking the scents that attract insects such as food, moisture, and pheromones. This disrupts insects' ability to locate food sources and mates, making your home less appealing to them. In essence, WD-40 creates an unfavorable environment for insects, encouraging them to seek refuge elsewhere. Embrace the unexpected. WD-40 for pest control. Who knew that a humble can of WD-40 could be such a versatile tool in the fight against household pests? From sealing entry points to repelling insects from garbage bins and outdoor furniture, WD-40 offers an unexpected yet effective solution for maintaining a pest-free home. Its ease of use, affordability, and widespread availability make it a practical choice for everyday homeowners looking for simple and effective pest control methods. So, the next time you're facing a bug invasion, reach for your trusty can of WD-40 and experience its surprising pest-repelling power for yourself. Banish bugs and reclaim your home. Dealing with bugs and spiders doesn't have to be a constant battle. With WD-40, you can reclaim your home from these creepy crawlies and enjoy a pest-free environment. By following the simple tips outlined in this guide, you can effectively deter insects, seal their entry points, and enjoy peace of mind knowing that your home is protected. Don't let bugs take over your home any longer. Embrace the unexpected and discover the pest control power of WD-40. Your home will thank you for it.